Today we will make together cupcake stand. Watch the video to the end to know the easiest way to resin it. Welcome to HandMade Dinyasi channel. Support me by like and subscribe. If you have any questions or requests, leave it in comments and I will answer you. Let's fun begin. First step to mix resin well, leave it 5 minutes to rest, so most of bubbles will disappears. You can choose any colors you want to generate the best shape with your magic.
Palestine, tomorrow will be free. Palestine,
after pouring resin, if you find bubbles, kill them using lighter or use 99% alcohol. Leave it minimum 12 hours before demolding, and you will get the best piece of art. Thanks for watching this video till end. You are my best friend. Support me by like and subscribe. Wait for new video and tricks that I hope that you will love it. See you next video. Take care while doing resin. Bye.
mother, no father to wipe away my tears. That's why